Hi, my name is Taron. I'm one of the scientists here at Hardy Nutritionals. Today I'd like to talk about the limiting factor of gastrointestinal issues. These types of issues as a general category reduce the absorption of essential vitamins and minerals and are well correlated or highly correlated with psychiatric symptoms. Now we've just picked a couple to review in just to kind of create awareness or to assist in awareness. The first is inflammatory bowel issues. These are where the lining of the bowel becomes irritated and inflamed. So not only does it cause pain and discomfort, but we have reduced nutrient absorption as well. There are multiple ways to treat those. Sometimes some of those conditions respond favorably to the vitamins and minerals. Most times they don't, and other nutrients can help, other foods can help, things like that. Other treatments, may be necessary to resolve that concern. Those that suffer with constipation will have a decreased absorption of nutrients. And so, sometimes, adjusting the diet can be helpful. Adequate hydration, high fiber foods, those kinds of things can help. We do find that the vitamins and minerals, particularly the mineral part of it, does have a natural tendency to soften and loosen the stools. Just as a matter of fact. But in some individuals where there's still some issues, they may need some other assistance to help with those things. Diarrhea is another condition where we have reduced absorption of nutrients, and again, diet adjustments, things like that will be helpful. There's also intestinal parasites. So when all other things appear normal, but there's still not a lot of response, checking for intestinal parasites may be warranted, just to eliminate that as a possibility. The last general category, again, we've referred to this before, is a dysbiosis in the gut. So when the relatively, the healthy bacteria and the unhealthy bacteria are out of balance, these conditions can reduce the absorption of nutrients. They can particularly can be fed by the nutrients. And so, again, that's a condition that we recommend be dealt with. Some of it can be, again, diet change, good probiotic with a prebiotic, that kind of thing. Some of those things are helpful. And of course, some may require prescription strength treatments to deal with these issues. But as a whole, be aware that gastrointestinal issues can affect the absorption of essential vitamins and minerals and are highly correlated with psychiatric symptoms, mood swings, and things like that. So we hope that this information provides some help, some awareness, and if any of these things apply to you, then that will help you to better manage your health and serve as perhaps markers on the roadmap to health, and some of those things that might be necessary to make adjustments to lifestyle, diet, or whatever to help with those conditions.